Got a plane coming all the way over there. And actually, he's coming right now. You can see him. I think it's an Airbus. To the exact speed he's going. You get him. Look at him over there. That is a big plane. We're right at the trail. And that is an Airbus a320 crossing this way. It's Delta. And yes, that is definitely an Airbus a320. Look at him go. We're going to keep this. Oh, right up there. See him going by now? So he's going really fast. So he's going to make that turn. So this plane might be coming out of LA to Houston. So there is a big route for those now, Japan. So heading Southeast Asia. So that is an Airbus A320 booking. There he goes. He's booking that way now. So there he goes. That video is from Mr. Jim, and we got Synchronous Kelly a video this morning. So we got 777 ahead. Airbus A320, nice. And he's flying off towards the west.